What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another walkthrough here. Today we are in the southeast of Cape Coral, kind of right off Del Prado. It's a little side street here, very nice and quiet neighborhood. Let me swerve over to the other side of the street here. And the special thing about this home is that we have a lot of fruit trees and things like that. If you love growing your own fruits in your yard, then this home is definitely for you. We got avocados, mangoes, star fruit, bananas. I mean, you name it, we got it here. So this home was built in 1972, by the way. This is a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, just under 1,500 square feet. And also a very important thing to note is that we have golf access here, no bridges. It's just about 5 minutes out to the river, so it's a very, very nice location. But let's go take a look inside, see what this one has to offer. This one is currently listed, by the way, for $450,000. Now, walking in, we notice one thing. We do have a few updates here that they've done recently, which is the kitchen. So the kitchen is new. I'll give you a different view here. All right, this is going to be the living room, and then you have your outdoor area, which we're going to cover here in a minute. Now, this is not a split floor plan, okay? So back in those days, they had all the rooms on one side, so all 3 bedrooms are going to be on this side here. And then on the right side, you have your garage and everything like that. So this is what the rooms look like. This is going to be your guest room. And then you also have a walk-in closet here as well. That's going to be some extra storage right there. And then we're going to go to the other bedroom. This is the other guest bedroom right here. It's a little bit bigger than the last one. Then you got a extra window out to the front and then an extra window out to the side. So tons of natural light. This property has all the assessments paid off, so water and city, so city water and sewer are all in, all paid off, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, this house could use somebody with a vision, somebody who likes to update stuff, maybe add some value to it, and somebody who's handy for sure. This is going to be the master bedroom. You guys have a walk-in closet over there on the right side, and then this is going to be your other bathroom, your master bathroom. Again, it could definitely use some updates. Somebody that is handy with a vision, they could make out really well with this property. Now we're going to walk through the living room here. This used to be a screen enclosure here, but they kind of made it part of the living room area. And then I'll give you guys another view of the living room. That's the front door over there where we came in at earlier. And now we're going to cover our screened in pool cage area and the outdoor kitchen back here. This is the outdoor kitchen where the owners mainly cook. We have a gas stove out here. Sitting area, and then this goes to the garage. That door goes all the way to your one-car garage. All screened in with a pool. Now the pool is fairly large, as you guys can see. As far as the pool heater goes, we do have the pipe heating system. I don't know if you guys heard about that before, but basically a pump pumps the water up to the roof. It goes to these pipes. The sunlight warms it up, and then it comes back down warm. In the wintertime, however, I do recommend to get an electric pool heater because they don't work too well in the wintertime, but in the summertime, it's no problem at all. All right, now let me show you guys the boat dock and the access point out here. This house, by the way, has a newer shingle roof, 2024, as well as a 2025 AC system, and there was some electrical done as well recently. This is going to be your boat lift. I believe it's an 8,000-pound boat lift. The owner is not quite sure. Again, we have golf access here. I'll show you guys what the access point looks like and the view from the back here. All right, looking down the canal, it's just one straight shot out. You'll be out by the Caloosahatchee in probably about 5-6 minutes or so. And it's just one straight shot out. Beautiful access point. Again, if you guys have any questions about this home, just send me a DM or give me a call at 239-628-5240. See you guys next time.